Here with the keyless shop. Today we're talking about how to program the BMW remote head key. This guy's remote's broken. We've cloned the remote. Let me turn the light on here so you can see. We've cloned the remote into this style remote, and the way you program it, it's actually on board. So it's pretty simple. What you're going to do is you're going to put the key in the ignition, and I'm going to go on, off 3 times. Now I'm going to pull the key out. Now I'm going to press the unlock button, and then press the lock button 3 times. There it is. I heard the door cycle. Release that, and I'm done. Go ahead and open the door. When you hear the door cycle, that means it's accepted the remote. Now let's test the remote. There it is. Locked. Unlock. And voila. I don't know if we can clone the panic. I don't think these have panic. Do these have panics? No. Okay. But the main functions we got. So we were able to clone. So now this customer's remote's completely dead because he opened it when you're not supposed to. These are actually rechargeable batteries. The car charges it. But here at the keyless shop, we can clone the remote and then program it for you. And that's it right there. Come by and see us. We sell them for only $75.